Hi everyone, welcome to English classes by Sadhu. The chapter we are going to take up today is Rat Trap by Selma and it is for 12th standard. As the title suggests, rat trap is not an ordinary symbol. It describes the whole philosophy of life. The metaphor that the whole world is like a rat trap and all these materialistic gains are like baits which attract us, and once we are ensnared by them, we fall a prey to them, then it is difficult to move out. In order to project this philosophical theme of showing the human tendency of loneliness, one's craving to find bonding or relationship with even strangers, and also using the opportunity to redeem oneself from the dishonest ways, are also the sub themes connected with this philosophy of life. The diction, the plod and trudge show the weariness of life of starvation. The grey and dreary reflect the gloom attached with the life of have-nots, and also the impenetrable prison and twisted ways suggest the confusive situations that they confront with. So here the paddler, the rat trap seller, reaches the crofter's house at night, and just opposite to his expectation, he gets not only shelter for night, rather the crofter prepares porridge for him, they play cards, and ultimately paddler is also told about the secret saving of 30 kronos that he has kept in the windowsill. And next day, like any other opportunist, the paddler steals the money. Escaping the police, he comes to the forest, and there, coming across the Ramsjo mill, he wants to find shelter for night over there. And the iron master mistook him for a comrade of his regimental time, that is Captain Neil Olof, and requests him to come to their place. But paddler refuses because his identity may be disclosed. Still, the generosity, the Christian values of love, compassion of Edla overpower his confusive mind, and he is ready to come to their house. To Edla, she is selfish because for the last 3 years she has not got any guest for Christmas Eve. She even spares an old suit of her father to the paddler so that he may feel comfortable. Her observant look tells her from his sad looks, from his diction, his choice of word, that he is not very much educated like a captain. And also that he is doing something which may have some grey past. But still, she wants to give him at least one day of peace, total comfort, and food delicacies. She even requests her father, who gets to know that he is not the same fellow in the broad daylight, that let him be allowed for the Christmas feast, and after that he may go wherever he likes. During the church mass, when the father and daughter get to know that a convict is being chased by the police, who has stolen the 30 kronos of the crofter, they just fear that maybe their silverware are stolen by him. But on their way back, they not only get the 30 kronos which are given back to be handed over to the crofter, but also a gift wrap, where a rat trap is wrapped nicely with a note of thanks that the generosity and kind attitude of Edla was enough to transform this peddler from a bad soul to a good one. He signs himself as Captain Neil Olof, as he thinks that as a reward of his honesty and transformation, at least he has come to the level where Captain Neil Olof would have been. So this was something about this chapter. Now let us have a quick recapitulation of whatever we have done. Give some of the evidences to show that the atmosphere projected in the chapter is of utter gloom, despair, and poverty. Next question, justify the title. Next question, what is the difference among the generous attitude of Crofter, Edla, and the Iron Master? Next question, justify the title. And last but not the least, explain the philosophy of life which is essential to be observed by all human beings as the philosophy of human predicament. So, this is something about this chapter. I hope you might have liked it. If you really appreciate the content of the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. For joining my online Zoom sessions, you can contact at my email address goelsadhana@yahoo.co.in. So thank you so much.